Alright guys, Good Noel here, and in this video I want to show you how you can easily create Instagram sponsored posts from your mobile phone through the Instagram mobile app. So this will help you get people to see your profile, get people to see your product or your services. Alright, so first you must have an Instagram account, but I'm sure you know this. So if you have an Instagram account, there are a few things you need to do before you can start running Instagram ads. Number one is that if your ad is currently on a personal account, you'll not be able to run Instagram ads. So you have to change your account to either a business account or a creator account. So how do you do this? First, you come and then you tap here and you come to settings. So from settings here you come to account and then you scroll down. Here you see where it says switch account type. So you tap on that and you can see where it says you can switch to a personal account or a creator account. If you are still on the personal account, you will see switch to a creator account or a business account. I'm already on a business account, that's why you see these two options here. So you must switch to either a creator account or a business account. A personal account cannot run sponsored posts on Instagram. So this is very important. It's also important to note that switching to either a creator account or a business account does not really affect your profile in any way. Alright, it just makes it possible for you to be able to run Instagram ads. So once you are done with that, you now go back to your profile and then you select the posts that you want to promote or to advertise. First, you must have made this post on your Instagram profile. And if you are using a video, it's important that you note that if you want to promote a video on Instagram, that this video must not be more than a minute long. So if it is more than a minute, you cannot promote it. So you have to find a way to make it a minute or less. Alright, so once you have all that settled, you are now ready to run your Instagram ads. Again, you must post these posts on your profile. So this is my profile and these are some of the posts I have. So I'm just going to find one and then we'll try to promote that one. So I'm just going to select this one here that says how to run Instagram DM ads, the effective ways to get quality DMs. Alright, so if you click on it, you're going to see this promote button here and then you just tap on it. It's going to give you three options you can use. You can get people to look at your profile, or you can get them to look at your website or to get more messages. For profile, what happens is that they see the view profile as a call to action. So when they click on it, they will be directed to your profile. So they can go through your profile, they can see your bio, see the things you do, and then they can decide to reach out to you, follow you, and or like your work or your services. Now, if you have a website where you want these people to come to, you can redirect them to that website. So if you sell a product or a service, or you're an affiliate marketer, or whatever you do, you can put the link here and ask them to come to your website. So when they see the ad, it will be visit website. So if you want them to send you messages, then this third option settles that. So they are going to be prompted to send you a direct DM message. So you have to select the one you want outside this tree. Alright, so if you have that fixed, you are ready to go. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to say we want these people to send us DM messages. So you click on that and then you continue. So here you have to set your audience. And by default it is placed on automatic, but I advise that you should not use this, because if you are still starting up and you do not have a defined follower or followers, Instagram is just going to target people who are similar to people who already follow you. So if you have your friends who are following you, and these friends, they may not be your ideal audience, it's not going to be effective, because Instagram is going to target people who are similar to these kind of friends. So I do not advise that you use the automatic targeting. You have to go and create your own targeting. So you come down where it says create your own, so you can manually enter your own targeting. So from here, you have to name your audience. So I'm just going to name this audience Instagram ads. And then you select the location where you want this audience to come from. You can select by country, by states, and by cities or towns. All right, so I'm just going to keep this at the country level, which is Nigeria. So we select Nigeria. You can select Lagos, Abuja, wherever your state is, or wherever the target audience, where you think your target audience will be based. So for this video, we are going to use Nigeria. So selected Nigeria, and we continue. Now we have to look at the interests of these persons, because this is an interest-based platform. So we are going to say, since we are targeting it, Instagram ads, we are looking at possible business owners or businesses or small businesses. So you type on this, you type that out, and then you select. All right, you can select as much as you want, and then you continue. So as you can see, we have 3.2 million persons who are in Nigeria who are small businesses. All right, so here we have to look at the age and the gender. So if you want if you want this ad to be shown to people who are within an age range, this is where you adjust it. So we can say, let's just keep it at 50. I will move this one from 18 to 25. You should have a clear idea of who your audience are before you do this. So it's not something you do randomly, unless you are trying to do a naked targeting. You are trying to do a very broad targeting. All right, so you can equally select the genders. If your product is targeted at just male, you now have to uncheck female, and this ad will be shown to just males. If you want it to be for both parties, you can leave both checked. If you want it to be for just female, you uncheck male. All right, so if you check male, you can see that we have 810,000 people. But if you have the both of them checked, you have 1.8 million persons, and if we have just male, we have 1.1 million males. All right, so we are just going to check the both of them, and then we continue. So you click on continue. We have our audience created, and this is the audience that Instagram is going to be using to target for us. So you click on continue again, and as you can see, the audience has been selected. So we go to next, which is our budget and our duration. So how much do you want to pay daily, and how long do you want this advert to run? So you can select the amount you want. You can keep it just as you want. All right, so I'm just going to keep it here, and I'm going to let this ad run for 3 days. All right, so after 3 days, this ad is going to stop, and you can rerun it again. So you can leave it for as long as 30 days, depending on what you want to do. So once you have that sorted, you can now click on continue, where we have our payment option. But before we come to the payment option, you can preview where it's going to show. So your ads will show on the Instagram feed, on the Instagram stories, and Instagram Explore. So these are the 3 places where your ads will be showing. Now we have to add a payment method. So you click on that, and you can add either a credit card or a debit card. So we already have our location, which is in Nigeria, so we are paying in Nigerian naira. So you have to add a debit card or a credit card. So all you have to do is check this, and you click on next. From here, you input your card details correctly, and then you click on save. So after saving it, I'm not going to add my card details now. So after saving it, it will your ad will be sent to review, and after it has been reviewed and approved, your ads will go live. So that is how you create an Instagram ad from your mobile phone through the Instagram app. Alright, so if they reject your ad for any reason, you can request a review. Your ad will be reviewed and approved if you've done all the corrections they want you to do. So that, my friend, is how you can successfully and easily run an Instagram ad from your smartphone. I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you. Thank you for watching. My name is Good Noel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.